If you're watching this, chances are you're ready for a change, ready to feel better by eating wholesome foods instead of relying on processed foods that leave you feeling anything but your best. Give me the next 2 minutes and I'll highlight how I peacefully cook delicious whole foods in 5 easy-to-repeat steps for a longer, healthier life. I'm Rebecca Thompson, a certified functional medicine health coach, and I know the power of food because I lived it. I get it. We want food to taste delicious. We want food to be good for us, and we also have busy lives. Here's how we can cook a wide variety of fresh, fiber-filled plants and help us feel vibrant, healthy, and defend against viruses and disease through gut health, and amino-rich proteins and healthy fats to strengthen our body and help curb appetite. How we can use prep time as meditation time, less screen time, peaceful, healthy, sensory experience, creating more ease in our day, less dis-ease, less disease. I'll show you simple tricks that make life in the kitchen easier, like chopping with the crab hand technique, and the seasoning magic to melt in your mouth proteins. How when salt has time to penetrate the protein walls, the meat becomes tender and juicier. How we can create easy go-to secret sauces in just 5 minutes or so to pair with virtually any plant and protein combination. Sauces that elevate any dish. How we can magically transform our food with heat and keep it simple using only 3 pans. 90% of my cooking is done with my trusted carbon steel wok. It allows for the quick searing of meats and vegetables to impart fragrance from the browning. I can also steam and so much more. Number 2, a big pot Wonder Dutch oven for braising large cuts of mouth-wateringly delicious meat. Blanching of crispy vegetables like carrots or any cruciferous vegetable, and for easy steaming of root vegetables from potatoes to turnips for a pillowy, soft mash. Number 3, my tried and true commercial grade sheet pans for crispy caramelized sweet potato chips without the canola oil, or the powerhouse nutrients of roasted squash. And how we can savor and enjoy food the way it's meant to be experienced, with gratitude and a sense of satisfaction, leading to fewer food cravings. Thank you for joining me in this health journey. Please click the link below for more. Enjoy.